What are the next steps for Ffiws?
Yeah, so Ffiws is going to be open now until the end of the WETA programme in 2023. And within those 2 years, we have a few ideas on how we want to sort of develop the project and try new things in the space. So, as I mentioned earlier, we'll be developing the idea of repair cafes and repair events, which will take place here in Ffiws Porthmadog, to try and encourage people to repair things instead of throwing them away. We'll also be wanting to sort of attract more businesses to the space, to try and make the most of the equipment that we've got and the expertise that the technicians have as well. The equipment that we've got is great for sort of prototyping new ideas, and to sort of learn new skills. We'll also be trying to get more young people and students to come to the space as well. So maybe students who are studying product design or design and technology. We want to make the place somewhere where they can come to maybe learn some new skills, maybe work on a project that is a part of their course. So that's the type of things that we'll be looking into the future. And also in partnership with Gwynedd Council and as part of the Circular Economy Fund, there'll be new Ffiws spaces and repair cafes opening across Gwynedd. So there'll be one in Bethesda, Penygroes, Penrhyn, Blaena, Antur Fawr, Tywyn, Congolmeincia and Llanelhuan. So those are the ones that will be opening in Gwynedd very soon. And there's also two that are in development on Anglesey as well. So yeah, there's going to be a few space within a few miles to everyone in Gwynedd soon. So yeah, hopefully people will take advantage of what's on offer.